Leave this video a like and then you can hype the video. The more hypes I get, the better this video does. So this is my British Indian restaurant base gravy. It's the curry sauce for absolutely any curry. A lot of people are still buying jars. This is so easy. Please don't buy any more jars. Follow this. It's simple. There's enough for about 30 curries here, and the ingredients are in the description of the video. Just going to put some onions into a bowl, plenty. The majority of your ingredients should be onions. Next, we're going to add some carrot, some white cabbage, a little bit of green pepper, a little bit of red pepper. We're going to add some passata, salt, British Indian restaurant mixed powder by Taste of India. That's definitely going to get you the correct taste. Ginger and garlic, a little bit of coconut cream block. I don't see that many restaurants actually use that. In goes some vegetable oil, and finally we're just going to top the ingredients with water. Do make sure your ingredients are swimming in the water. I'm going to boil this for 1 hour with a lid on. If you're not using a pressure cooker, you're just going to have to boil it for 1 hour 45 minutes, not a problem. I'm going to boil that for exactly 1 hour once it comes to the boil. Exactly 1 hour later, it's time to turn the heat off and just allow it to rest, to drop in temperature. After around an hour of allowing that to cool and rest, you can see all the beautiful red oil has floated to the top and everything should be super soft. Let's blend. So the next step, you can see there's still a little thickness, so I'm just going to dilute it with some water. Quantity again in the description of the video. And that's the exact consistency we want. It should be like double cream. Curry in a hurry can be now knocked up in 6 to 10 minutes, depending on what curry you're cooking, British Indian restaurant style. Next step is to divide it up into takeaway containers. You can keep it for about 4 or 5 days in the fridge, or a year or more in the freezer. All topped up, wait for them to cool down before you put the lid on. Some of those are going down the freezer, a few are going into the fridge for curry production. Now, how easy was that? Stop using those jars and make incredible curries from scratch using this sauce. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more videos really soon.